Getting better videos and photos of your Lego sets will drastically improve the amount of comments and likes and shares your photos and videos get. And there are 3 things we can do to improve that. Now remember, it doesn't matter what equipment you use. These are all tips to help you be a better photographer. Thing to remember all the way through to the bonus part of this video at the very end on how to get better at these things is that video and photos are very similar. And that's why these concepts work for both. First thing we're going to do is we're going to get lower than we normally shoot. We're going to get down to more of an eye level because that way we're not going to show the worst sides of the subject and we're not going to hide details. Here you can see the bare spot is gone and the details are visible. Side by side, you see an even bigger difference. And here is the video comparison from both perspectives. One tells a much better story and shows off the set much better. Next thing we're going to do is zoom in and bring your pictures of Lego sets to life. If you see here, you get to see the whole set, and that's great, but where's the detail? There's the detail, and it's brought to life. You can do multiple pictures in order to have one of the main set and a couple of the details where the life happens. Think of all the crazy build details on sets, the anatomically correct butt, the poop in the can on the taxi set, and the video proves the same exact thing. When you bring it to life, it's more dynamic. And think of crazy build techniques you might want to show off that you've come up with, or the ones that are in the Lego sets where you're like, what in the, how the? Next thing we're going to talk about is contrast. It's a big problem for Lego. We're going to take a look at Waldorf here against a white and a black background, and you can see either the sign or his clothes are kind of lost, and it makes it hard to see him. But with the blue background, he comes to life. And it's as simple as that, having a good background to provide contrast. Here's the thing, Lego's color palette is pretty small. It seems large, but it's not, considering that 4K video has 1 trillion colors. When you think about that, you understand that that background and surrounding items become far more important than you thought they were. Bonus time. The best advice I've ever gotten in improving my photography skills was this. Grab some popcorn and it's movie time because movies can inspire you. When you look at a movie, think about the scenes that grab your attention from the visually stunning movies out there. You're going to find that they show you something about composition and contrast and getting in closer and how to make your videos and pictures better. Thanks for watching and check out these other videos. And if you'd like more of this type of content, please subscribe.